Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your taskbar icons on the left hand side of your taskbar on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to right click on your taskbar anywhere and you will see this taskbar settings option. So just click on this and it's going to open the taskbar settings window here. Now you just need to scroll down a little where it says taskbar behaviors. You just need to expand this list, and the first option in this list is taskbar alignment. So by default it's center, but you can change it to left, and this is going to move all of your taskbar icons on the left hand side. Now let me show you how you can reach to the taskbar settings using a different method. So you just need to search for the settings app here. So I'm going to just search for the settings app using the search icon, and once the settings app opens, just click on personalization here, and then on the right hand side you will see taskbar here. So just click on it and it's going to open the taskbar settings, right? So you can also come to the taskbar settings using the settings app, and when you scroll down at the bottom you can once again revert the change to center, and your icons will be aligned in the center of your taskbar on your Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can move the icons on your taskbar on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.